Whether you're looking to spruce up your patio, clean your car, or tackle stubborn dirt and grime on various surfaces, a high-quality electric pressure washer can be your best ally. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the top contenders in the market, helping you make an informed decision for your cleaning needs. Sunjoe SPX 3014.5 is our first choice as Best Electric Pressure Washer 2024. This is a powerful and versatile machine that can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home and garden. It features a 14.5 amp motor that generates up to 20-30 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow. This makes it well suited for cleaning even the toughest dirt and grime, such as tar, grease, mildew, oil stains, and rust. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a 50-foot pressure hose, a spray wand with 5 quick connect spray tips, and 2 onboard detergent tanks. This makes it easy to customize the cleaning experience for different surfaces and tasks. It also features a TSS that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. This saves energy and prolongs the life of the pump. The SPX 3000 also has GFCI protection for added safety. The SPX 3000 comes with a variety of nozzles and accessories for different cleaning tasks. It includes a 0 degrees nozzle for tough cleaning jobs, a 15-degree nozzle for light to medium-duty cleaning jobs, a 25-degree nozzle for wide area cleaning, a 40-degree nozzle for gentle cleaning, and a soap nozzle for applying detergent. It is also easy to use. It has a lightweight design and a comfortable grip. The pressure washer also has a built-in hose reel and a storage compartment for the nozzles and accessories. The Sunjoe SPX 3014.5 amp electric pressure washer is a great choice for anyone who needs a powerful and versatile pressure washer for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is easy to use and comes with a variety of features that make it a great value for the price. At number 2, we have Greenworks 3000 PSI. With this electric pressure washer, you can clean cars, decks, concrete, and bricks with ease. It can also remove graffiti and grime from concrete and brick. It is powered by a 14-amp true brushless motor that generates 3000 psi of pressure and 1.1 GPM of flow. This gives it enough power to tackle even the most difficult cleaning jobs while still being easy to use and maneuver. It comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for homeowners and professionals alike. It has a heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump that provides better than gas performance. It comes with a smart sensing true brushless TM motor that automatically adjusts pressure and flow to deliver the perfect amount of water for each nozzle tip. It is equipped with rugged metal gun and hassle-free 25 FT Uberflex kink-resistant hose. 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles. It also comes with a 25-foot pressure hose. The Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer is also PWMA certified, which means that its PSI and GPM claims have been tested and verified by an independent lab. This ensures that you are getting the power and performance that you expect. It is easy to use and maneuver, and it comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for homeowners and professionals alike. At number 3, Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI pressure. The Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI true brushless electric pressure washer is a powerful and versatile tool for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including decks, patios, siding, fences, and vehicles. It features a brushless motor that is more efficient and durable than traditional brushed motors, and it also produces less noise. It has a maximum pressure of 2300 psi and a flow rate of 2.3 GPM, which gives it plenty of power to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. It also comes with a variety of nozzles, so you can choose the right one for the task at hand. It comes with kink-resistant 25-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI for use on exterior outlets. The Greenworks Pro 2300 pressure washer is powered by a brushless motor that is more efficient and durable than traditional brushed motors. It also features jet flow technology, which provides up to 50% more water flow than other pressure washers in its class. This pressure washer comes with a variety of accessories, including 5 nozzles, a 25-foot hose, and a 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI. It also has large 10-inch wheels for easy maneuverability. Overall, this is a powerful and versatile pressure washer that is well suited for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is backed by a strong warranty, making it a good value for the money. In fourth place, we have the WHOLESUN WS 3000 electric pressure washer. The WHOLESUN WS 3000 electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including cleaning cars, homes, driveways, patios, and more. It has a maximum pressure of 2150 psi and a flow rate of 2.65 GPM, making it one of the strongest electric pressure washers on the market. Its 2150 psi maximum pressure and 2.65 GPM flow rate make it one of the strongest electric pressure washers on the market. This means that it can easily remove even the toughest dirt, grime, and debris. The WHOLESUN 3000 comes with a variety of features that make it versatile enough to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks. The 5 quick connect spray tips allow you to choose the right pressure and spray pattern for the job at hand, and the foam cannon is perfect for applying cleaning solutions to surfaces. It is easy to use even for beginners. The controls are simple and intuitive, and the TSS helps to prevent accidents. The WS 3000 is relatively lightweight and easy to move, making it a portable and convenient option for cleaning tasks at home or on the go. It has a TSS that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. It comes with a 20-foot pressure hose for reaching hard-to-reach areas and a 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI for safety. The WHOLESUN WS 3000 electric pressure washer is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use machine that is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is a great value for the money and comes highly recommended by many users. Finally, we have the AR Blue Clean Maxx. The AR Blue Clean Maxx 3000 is a high-pressure electric pressure washer with a PSI of 3000 and a GPM of 1.3. It is designed for the serious, do-it-yourself homeowner or occasional commercial user. The Maxx 3000 is powered by a 15-amp induction motor, which is known for its durability and reliability. This is a 3000 PSI electric pressure washer that is designed for serious, do-it-yourself homeowners. It is powered by a 15-amp induction motor and produces a flow rate of 1.3 gallons per minute. This makes it ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks, such as cleaning decks, patios, and concrete driveways. Removing dirt, grime, and grease from cars, boats, and other vehicles. It comes standard with a 25-foot steel-armed hose, a turbo nozzle, a variable spray nozzle, and a soap nozzle. It also has a built-in detergent tank, so you can easily add soap to your water stream. The pressure washer is mounted on a 2-wheel trolley for easy transport and storage. Its induction motor is powerful and durable, and it provides consistent pressure throughout the cleaning job. It features triaxial wobble plate pump that is efficient and reliable, and it produces a smooth and steady water flow. Its total stop system automatically turns off the pump when the trigger gun is released, which helps to extend the life of the pump and save energy. The BM3000 comes with a variety of quick connect accessories, including a spray gun, lance, and nozzle tips, which makes it easy to switch between different cleaning tasks. The BM3000 is mounted on a wheeled cart, which makes it easy to transport and maneuver around the work area. The BM3000 is a well-built and durable pressure washer that is backed by a 2-year warranty. It is a good choice for homeowners and small businesses who need a powerful and reliable pressure washer for a variety of cleaning tasks. In the world of electric pressure washers, 2024 brings forth an exciting array of options designed to make your outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grime or moss-covered patios, or just want to maintain the pristine look of your car, these electric pressure washers offer the power and convenience you need. Thanks for tuning in to our video on the best electric pressure washer 2024. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Leave your comments below with any questions or suggestions for future videos.